Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ryan and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today in this video, let's have a look at this 4K budget action camera, the Victure AC920. We're gonna do some tests, but first let's start with a really quick unboxing, so let's go guys. Okay, so we have the box here, Victure there, 4K Ultra HD, not much to it, and on the back we can see a few specs already. 4K Ultra HD capture, you have the remote control, 2-inch screen, you can control in view using the Wi-Fi, 40 meters waterproof, and 20 megapixel pictures. Alright, let's open it up, and this is what we are presented with. So we have a user manual there, a card, quick start guide. We have the camera itself here. Let's put it to the side for now. Okay, from what I can tell, there's a remote control, 2 batteries, 1 case. This is not waterproof. This way you can get the sound in. Another mouse. There's plenty of stuff, as you guys can tell. Okay, so let's have a look at the camera. It comes in this waterproof case, and there you have it. So we have the logo there, power button there, 40K 60 FPS. On the side we have a micro HDMI USB charging port and the micro SD card slot. At the top, just the shutter button, and over here the navigation buttons. That's a microphone or a speaker, and here is where you put your battery. That's it. Oh, let's just remove this. In terms of build quality, as expected, is very plasticky. I must say, it looks like a cheap plastic. You guys know I have to be honest here. We have this big screen on the back. The resolution is not too bad. I mean the screen's resolution. Everything is touch screen. Exposure. Electronic image stabilization. Let's turn it on. Yeah guys, let's do our test, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the test. Okay guys, so I'm here outdoors. I'm gonna test the camera. First thing I want to show is the app, and for that you need to download the iSmart DV app, and then press this button to trigger the Wi-Fi. Select the action cam there, and you're gonna have a live feed of what the camera is seeing. Pretty nice. Let's just put the camera there on the table. Over here we have a few options. So you have all the menus basically on the phone. I'm not gonna check every single menu here guys, but you'll be able, for example, to change the resolution, slow-mo, format your card, and we can also turn the image stabilization on or off there, alongside the wind noise reduction. Speaking of that, this camera comes with a lapel microphone, and you can plug straight away to the camera's USB. Let's say this clip is huge. Well, yeah, we're going to test the camera with and without the microphone, using the external and the internal microphone. Yeah guys, for example, on the app you can start and stop recording like so. Yeah, let's test the camera. So I've got my bike here. I'm going to mount it there on the handlebar, and we're going to test different resolutions and with image stabilization on or off. One thing I forgot to show you guys is this remote control, where you can stop and stop recording and take a picture as well. So let's just try the picture mode. Yeah, picture taken, and start video. And stop recording. And stop recording. Nice. So what you're hearing now is the sound picked from the camera's internal microphone. We're going to start our test now. 4K 60 FPS with image stabilization on. Bear in mind, guys, this is electronic image stabilization. Okay, 1080p 60 EIS off, camera's internal microphone. Can it be 30 image EIS on? Now 1080p 120, no EIS, it's not available. $720 $240 now. $4K 30 FPS EIS off, using the internal microphone, wind noise reduction on. I don't know if you guys can tell any difference on the image quality. Normally gets a bit more grainy. Okay guys, now 2.7K 30 FPS, no EIS, no image distortion calibration, so everything is off. The wind noise reduction is on. At the moment I'm using the lapel microphone plugged into the micro USB. Alright, so I'm going to turn the EIS on. Hope you guys can hear me alright with the lapel microphone. It's very sunny. Now with a closer angle. Okay guys, now let's have a look if this camera is really 4K. At the moment I'm recording at 1080p 60 FPS. Let's point that to that beer there, let's call it that. Alright guys, so let's wrap the video. I'm using the lapel microphone. I hope the voice is alright. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out, some small specs about this camera and the current price. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button, and please guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always guys, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.